Welcome to Embsew. Hi friends, today I'm sharing how to do running stitch and half back stitch. At first glance, the two embroidery stitches may appear quite similar. However, they differ in execution, and the back side is also very different. Now let's talk about the running stitch. Bring the needle up and then down, leaving a space between each stitch. Repeat this process. The back will look exactly like the front. Additionally, you can also do like this. In this way, you will embroider from right to left. This method is suitable for right-handed people. This stitch is commonly used to match two pieces of fabric together. Stitching like this will be very quick. As for the half back stitch, the execution is similar to the back stitch, but when completed, it resembles the running stitch. You bring the needle up, then down, and then up again, leaving a space in between. Repeat the process. It really looks like a running stitch, doesn't it? The back will look like this. The half back stitch, running stitch, or back stitch can only be used to match pieces of fabric together. They are often used in sewing and embroidery, very popular. I will discuss about sewing in another session. And today, I will use these simple stitches to embroider a cluster of tulips. Join me in stitching. Let's start now.